Welcome to this explainer. Look, today we're tackling something that's basically going to be a total game changer for your time and stress levels, checking your Louisiana WIC benefit balance right from your smartphone. If you've been looking for a quick, reliable way to track your benefits on the go, you are absolutely in the right place.
Let's be real for a second. Have you ever been standing there at the grocery store checkout, totally stressed with a line of people behind you, just kind of guessing if you have enough left on your EWIX card for that gallon of milk? It's a universally relatable and honestly a pretty terrible feeling. But good news, it doesn't have to be that way anymore.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to get you set up in 6 quick steps. Welcome to Louisiana WIC, getting the right app, setting up your account, navigating your balance, troubleshooting common issues, and finally, maximizing your WIC benefits. Step 1. Welcome to Louisiana WIC and the highly anticipated August 2026 upgrade. Before we get into the tech, just as a quick refresher, the WIC program, that's the special supplemental nutrition program for women, infants, and children, is literally a lifeline here in Louisiana. It provides vital, healthy foods and incredible support for growing families. But accessing those benefits efficiently, that's just as important as actually receiving them. And that is exactly where the recent system updates completely changed the game. As of August 1st, 2026, Louisiana made this huge transition to an online EWIC system. Back in the day, your data was literally stuck on the physical chip of your card. But now, it's all housed on a highly secure, real-time database, which means live mobile balance checks are finally a reality. And your clinic can even reload your benefits remotely. How cool is that? All right, moving on to step 2, getting the right app and demystifying the options. The state actually offers a few different mobile platforms, so it's really easy to accidentally download the wrong one and just end up frustrated. We want to make sure you grab the exact right tool for this job. So the absolutely crucial point here is that you need to search specifically for MyWIC Mosaic in your iOS or Android app store. This one is developed by Vexol, and it is the official mobile gateway for Louisiana WIC participants to actually check active balances in real time. Making sure you search for this exact name is super important so you don't accidentally download any scammy or unofficial third-party tools that could cause security issues. Just to give you a really clear picture of why this matters, let's contrast the 3 official apps Louisiana WIC offers. You've got MyWIC, WIC Shopper, and Pacify. Now, WIC Shopper is fantastic. It lets you scan barcodes in the store to check if an item is WIC eligible and saves your receipts. And Pacify is amazing for 24/7 on-demand virtual lactation consulting and maternal care. But, and this is key, only MyWIC connects directly to the state's centralized host database to give you that real-time live look at your active balance. Step 3, setting up your account and linking your EWIC card. This is just a one-time registration protocol, so you only have to do it once and you're set. It's totally secure, so go ahead and grab your physical EWIC card right now so you can follow along. Whether you're an iPhone person or an Android user, the initial steps are exactly identical. Once you've downloaded the MyWIC Mosaic app and opened it up, don't try to sign in just yet. Instead, tap that Link Card button right at the top. From there, you'll see a big list of WIC programs. Just scroll on through and tap Louisiana. Next up, you're going to enter the 16 or 19-digit number right there on the front of your card. You can type it in manually or even scan it with your phone's camera, which is super handy. To verify it's actually you, just plug in the cardholder's date of birth and your registered zip code. Finally, create a secure username and password. Oh, and here's a great pro tip straight from program managers. Use your primary email address as your username. It makes password recovery way easier down the road. Step 4, navigating your WIC balance and checking out what you actually see. Congrats, you're officially logged in. Let's take a detailed walkthrough of the interface. This brilliantly illustrates just what a massive leap forward this whole program has taken. The old way meant literally hoarding those super long printed grocery receipts just to know what food you had left. And if that receipt accidentally went through the wash in your jeans pocket, well, you were totally out of luck. The new way, through MyWIC, is a live database connection. No more paper, no more guessing. It's an absolute lifesaver. Right there on your home screen, you've got all the essential details of your account. You'll see your active food balances all broken down by specific units, like exactly how many gallons of milk or ounces of cereal you have left. You'll also see your cash value benefit, or CVB, limits for fresh fruits and veggies. You can even review your itemized purchase histories to see exactly what was deducted during your last grocery run. And maybe most importantly, you can see your upcoming benefit reload dates, which totally eliminates the guesswork when you're meal planning. Okay, step 5, troubleshooting common issues. Because let's face it, technology isn't always perfect and life happens. If you do hit a roadblock like a login error or a connectivity bug, help is readily available.
Now, what's really interesting here is a fundamental rule. Even though you have this awesome app now, do not throw your physical EBT card away. It is absolutely still your primary way to access those benefits at the register. Also, PIN safety is super critical. Please never write it on the card itself, and only share it with a trusted person who is actually authorized to shop for you.
But hey, if the worst happens and you lose your card, or you think someone might know your PIN, check out the customer service lifeline. It's 1-888-997-1117. That line is open 24/7, and it is your primary go-to for canceling a compromised card or even just checking your balance if your app connection suddenly drops. Let's quickly run through practical solutions for a few other common hurdles. If you get a login error or just forget your password, you can easily reset it using the phone number or email you link to the account. If you just momentarily misplace your eWIC card, we've all been there, you can actually lock it directly within the MyWIC app to protect your benefits while you check under the couch cushions. And for any broader questions about the program, your eligibility, or clinic issues, you can always call the WIC helpline at 1-800-251-BABY or shoot them an email at louisianawic@la.gov. Finally, step 6, maximizing your WIC benefits well beyond just checking the balance. Let's look at how this app builds into a total strategy for managing your family's nutrition. The MyWIC app is honestly incredibly robust. It totally empowers you to manage almost your entire WIC journey remotely. You can securely upload necessary eligibility documents right from your phone before an appointment. You can schedule, view, or even reschedule your clinic appointments. You can complete your mandatory WICHealth.org nutrition lessons straight from the app to make sure your benefits stay active. Plus, and this is my favorite part, you can turn on push notifications to get calendar alerts for upcoming appointments or reminders about expiring benefits. It saves busy parents so much time and prevents totally unnecessary clinic visits. I really love this quote straight from the Louisiana program. WIC is a family's best friend. These digital tools don't just exist for the sake of having flashy tech. They exist to keep growing families nourished and healthy with as little friction as possible. And we want to build a real community here. Drop a comment below and share your own experiences. Have you found a great way to organize your WIC shopping trips using the app? Have any extra tips? Sharing your successes absolutely helps others out. So I'll leave you with this question. What healthy meal are you going to plan with your benefits this month? Now that you can track your exact balance securely right on your phone, the grocery store is pretty much your oyster. We hope this explainer has shown you just how convenient it is to manage your benefits on the go. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more explainers like this. And just a quick professional disclaimer before we go, the information provided in this explainer is accurate as of its creation date and may be subject to change, so always refer to official Louisiana WIC resources or contact customer support for the most current info regarding your specific case. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping!